everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lydia, if you did not know that, and today I'm coming at you with a how to catfish, how to become a baddie, how to not look like this and look like this. So yeah, if you want to see how I turn into a baddie, semi-baddie, keep on watching. So first, I'm gonna go in with moisturizer. I'm gonna go in with this Pixie Jasmine Lotion Smoothing Moisturizer. Yeah, smells pretty good. Pour it all over my face. Hydrate my dry skin because I have not been taking care of my skin much the past week. I ain't gonna lie. Skin's kind of been breaking out recently. But we're not gonna talk about it, okay? Just don't talk about it. Go in with my Rimmel London Stay Matte Primer in 3. Love this. This stuff really makes my face not look oily, so you know that's a plus because I hate looking like a grease ball. So yeah, it's like $6, I think. I like it. So yeah. I'm not gonna lie, I really consider myself a catfish because, like, oh my god, like, I know when I go to work looking like this and then I go to work with a beat face, people are like, or when I don't wear makeup, they're like, are you feeling okay? Are you okay? Did you get much sleep? And I'm like, oh, no, I'm just not wearing makeup. Again, with the same foundation I use in every single video because I can never find a foundation that works good for me. Maybelline Superstay. My finger's oily. Maybelline Superstay foundation. Really nice. It's slipping out of my fingers. Again. So anyways, yeah. It's been a hot minute since I last recorded. I ain't gonna lie. I've been really... I didn't do my eyebrows. The lip. Okay, whatever. I'll just do this side, then I'll do my eyebrows real quick. No, but anyways, it's been a hot minute since I last recorded. Like, I say that in every video, but like, seriously, it really is. Oh my god. Try to hide all of my imperfections, and I have a lot of them. Yes, hide all of that. Hide all of it. So anyways, most likely this will be the last video you see of me in this bedroom because I am moving in 3 weeks. Super excited. Not excited about the rent, but I'm excited to move, so I will most likely not be posting. I'm gonna stop right here and do my eyebrows since I forgot to do them. I'm going in with the same eyebrow pomade that I use in every single video, also Kat Von D shade Tape Taupe. I still never know how to pronounce it. Nobody corrects me, nobody tells me, so I still don't know what it's called. So yes sir. I just felt like I should include my eyebrows in this because I have no eyebrows, so I was like, I need to put that in my video because I go from no brows to having eyebrows. I'm just gonna probably like cut this to my eyebrows because it's gonna take me a hot minute. So the next time you see me, I'm gonna have eyebrows on. I'm not gonna lie, my brows don't normally look like this. I hope I can fix it with some concealer because I don't know what happened. I'm gonna go in with this ColourPop Pretty Fresh concealer in the shade, I can't see that, Fair 05, and try to fix this situation. Okay, it don't look that bad. It don't look that bad. Okay, so I don't know if you can tell, but I got my tattoo touched up. I know. Why did I get it touched up, you may ask? Was it because 2 employees at my job in one day told me it looked bad? It made my confidence go, ooh. Yeah. I was minding my own business at my work, doing me, and this guy goes talking about my tattoo and stuff, and he's like, Not to be like rude or anything, but it looks like your friend did that. And I was like, okay. Okay, thanks, I guess. Like, okay. And then I was going home and I was checking out, and this other employee goes, your rose is fading. And I'm like, okay, I get it. It looks bad. Stop telling me. So that same day when I got in the car, I scheduled a touch-up because everyone was telling me how bad it looked and it was embarrassing. So yeah, I got it touched up. But it's okay because now it looks better than ever. Oh, it's a lot of foundation for my forehead. Oh, that just went in my hairline. Oh, okay. Ew. Okay, whatever. I'm gonna add this concealer again, add it all over my face to brighten up my face, but I am very pale, so in reality this just kind of matches my skin. And then whenever I add my loose powder, it blends in and doesn't even look like I added anything to brighten my face, but I still like to use it. I don't normally put this much on, but I'm feeling very spontaneous and I want to try something new, so yeah. Oh my god, I look like a ghost. Oh yeah, before I'm using my all-time favorite Laura Mercier powder. Okay, it is the best powder ever. This makes my base look so smooth and pretty and amazing and not cakey. It looks like my skin. I highly recommend this. It lasts all day too, sis. Wipe off all this bake off my face. I'm going in with my Urban Decay All-Nighter Setting Spray. Spray your base before you add anything and then spray it again after you're done. This melts in the base, makes your base look like skin. Tip, take it, sis, take it, okay? I blend it in with my sponge. So now for bronzer, because my face is fat, hack that cheeks, I'm gonna bronze up the face to make it look nice and not so pale. Going in with the Cheek Stars Reunion Tour by Benefit. I'm gonna bronze up my freaking face. This stuff smells so good also. Oh my god. It's looking so nice. This is like a little bit too light for me because I have to like really layer it on for it to really show. But you know, I don't mind. I'm going back in with this palette and I'm going to use Sugar Bomb as my blush. It's kind of dewy, so if you like that glowy look, this is for you. This stuff just smells so good. I freaking love blush with all of my heart. I'm going to use that same bronze shade and do my nose. I'm not gonna lie, I forgot to do my nose before I put on blush. Do bronzer before you do blush because then everyone looks stupid like me. So now I'm gonna go in with highlight because I like distracting people with my face. Haha. So I'm going back in with this same thing, using the shade Cookie because it looks so nice on my skin. I'm just going to apply so much. You know, you're gonna have to get sunglasses on to see me. Some people talk about how they don't like too much highlight because it's not flattering. Well, that's okay, sis, because I'll wear enough for both of us. Now I can do my lips because I'm tired of them looking this ugly. I'm gonna go in with my NYX lip liner in the shade, this is not correct, Espresso, and outline my lips. And now that you look crazy, we're going with lipstick. Go in with this Pixie Beauty Posh Nude Lipstick. Now I'm going with eyeliner. I'm going with this Better Than Sex eyeliner in Deepest Black. Like my soul. I'm definitely not going to do winged eyeliner because have you ever like either it's winged eyeliner or it's black eyeshadow, you just don't want to do it because you know back of your mind that if you do it, you are going to most likely ruin your makeup. That's me with eyeliner and black eyeshadow. So I don't win either way. I'm going in with the Better Than Sex mascara next, and I'm going to do my lashes. I always forget to do my bottom eyelashes, but I will not today. Now time for eyelashes. I haven't worn these babies in a hot minute. These are the Dodo Lashes style D328. You can use my discount code Lydia. If my chair does not stop creaking, I swear to God. Okay. Dodo Lashes style D328. You can use my discount code Lydia Baby. Get some money off your purchase. Going in with my Duo Lash Glue in Quick Set Strip Lash Adhesive White Clear. Like, I'm not gonna tell you, I cannot do my makeup without putting lashes on. Like, I can't. I feel naked without lashes on, okay? You feel naked without clothes on. I feel naked without lashes on. Same thing. So I'm gonna take my hair down, fluff her out because it's been in the same bun as yesterday. Flip out the hair. So yeah, this is the final look. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and I will be seeing you guys in my next video.